Hello YouTube world, how are you all doing? Welcome to my, I think it's day number 18 of my MLGS Clickbank series. I'll probably go at least 30 days or maybe even longer with this series and see how I do with using Clickbank and using my lead gen secrets. For those of you that are first watching this video number 18, if you go back maybe and look at video number 1 here, and I kind of talk about a little bit more about Clickbank, and I got a little more detail than I will today as far as using Clickbank. And if you go through my series, I talk about many different things in this series and introduce a few more things in each video than I do in the previous video. If you click on any one of my videos and go down below the video and you click show more,
I tried 3 different e-commerce platforms.
If you click on $1 per day, that will take you to my playlist for this series. If you click on thousandsofleads.com, this is where you can join my lead gen secrets. And then clickbank.com is where you join Clickbank, and it's really easy to sign up for Clickbank. You just go and sign up and you're going to get a nickname. It's really easy to do. And so we're going to go ahead and start off today. I'm going to go ahead and go to the marketplace at Clickbank. So you go to clickbank.com and you click on e-business and e-marketing. It'll be over here on the left hand side. And then once you get to e-business and e-marketing, you rank by gravity, high to low. And I always recommend in all my videos that you use the top 5 or 6 highest gravity swipes that you can get, or programs that you can use. Right now we're using Get Paid to Use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And then from what you want to do after you go to here, you want to click on the affiliate page. Then once you click on the affiliate page, you just scroll down and there'll be a bunch of email swipes here. And you can use these email swipes. I've mentioned this in all my videos. If you like, you can go 1 through 20. I suggest you do that. Or in addition to that, though, I'm also providing additional email swipes on a document that is linked here below my videos where it says daily email swipes. And also in my email, or below my videos, I have some other great programs if you'd like to take the opportunity to look at. And I also have another series here, turn $25 into 6 figures using Home Business Academy. It's a really step-by-step instructional. It teaches you how to use Home Business Academy. It's a great program. It's very cheap to get into, and so check that out if you would also. And also, if you would, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And so I'm going to go ahead and enter my email number 18 today. And so let's go here. The subject will be right here. This is the email that we're going to use in My Lead Gen Secrets. And like I said before, if you're not familiar with My Lead Gen Secrets, if you would check out some of my earlier videos, and I talk a little more in detail about My Lead Gen Secrets and how you can use the affiliate program. And here's the hop link. And so so what you can, after you copy this document over, what you can do is you can do a find and replace, and just find and replace your Clickbank ID, and then go find and replace, and then change it to your nickname that you decide to use when you sign up for Clickbank. It's just an idea if you want to do that. But feel free to use these swipes, and I'll keep adding swipes. And I have some other swipes if you decide to join. I can just shoot me an email and I will send you some other swipes. I have a whole bunch of them that I can send you. And so after you do that, you want to open up your My Lead Gen Secrets account. And then from here, you can kind of look back and see how some of your other emails have done, and the open rate. Like some of the emails I've sent have a higher open rate, and I'll key into that, and I may reuse that email down the road. And so then you want to click on Create a Message. And so make sure you select all of your leads. Make sure you can just say send from you. And then we are going to go ahead and copy over our subject. Then copy over the body of our email. a couple of spaces. All right, and so I have also, if you watched previous videos, I recommend putting a good picture of you in, and the easiest way to do that is to use Facebook, but I already have the link here to my Facebook picture. And if you want to know how to do that, one of the previous videos I have, it says right in the subject of how to add your picture from Facebook. You can go back and watch that if you like. And so what you want to do is you want to put the cursor where you want the picture to go, and you click on the little image button right there. You dump in the URL. And you want to change the height to somewhere around 125, 150 pixels. And I always put my link in here. I put my YouTube channel link in here. Oops. And once I do that, it'll insert my picture right there, and then I put my name. And also, if you have, sometimes you don't want to put too many links in here, but I am going to start putting in the link to my YouTube channel here. And so my YouTube channel is www.verdesaffiliates.com. And then I'm going to label it YouTube channel. And then it's also a good idea to put a contact email. So in case they have any questions, they can contact you about it. So now we want to insert our links, and so to do that, I would only put just one link. If you put too many links on here, it may end up more in the spam folder. So we want to just pick one and then just delete the other link. So where it says click here, I would just highlight one of them like this, like this right here, and this is where you're going to put your hop link. And so your hop link will be right here. And then make sure, if you haven't done so already, to change your Clickbank ID to your nickname that you signed up for when you signed up for Clickbank. And sign up for Clickbank is really easy. All right, so we click it. So we got that. And so and we got to change the name code. So it'll insert their first name into the email. Don't have to put this in there, so you can just go hi if you like. But I usually go ahead and try to personalize it a little bit. But I don't always do that. It just depends. Yeah. And so what you want to always do is preview it. Just maybe look for any typos or anything like that. And then check your links. So that one works. And then I see this takes it to my, oops. I'll have to double check that link. See what's going on with that. Looks like there may be an issue with my link, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that link. I'm going to have to see what's going on with that. I'll fix that. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and just put my let's see here. We'll go www.25business.com. That's my YouTube series for Home Business Academy, so I'll go ahead and put that on there. And go ahead and put the link here. All right. Need to check on my link, see what's going on there. I gotta fix that. See if this takes it to my YouTube channel. Okay, it looks like it's working. You can look at the tab up here. You can see that it's working up here. So. And so once that's done, this will go out to all the leads, and so let me go ahead and send that. And then if you have multiple channels like I have, I mentioned previous videos, I have 7, and I'm thinking about getting 3 more. The more the merrier. It works a lot better. And then make sure if you sign up for 2 accounts that you use the link, this link right here. Open this up in another tab and sign up with that link, because then you start getting commissions off of your own link, and you also start getting bonus leads. Because normally you only get 100 leads, but if you sponsor somebody, or you use the affiliate link, and someone signs up underneath you, you get the 100 bonus leads. And so what you want to do if you have multiple accounts, you just want to sign up of this account and then sign into the new one. And do the same thing over, just cut and paste everything over. Select all. Computer's being really laggy today. Oops, what happened here? It's not the right email. Let me pause this video. I think I messed up here. Hold on a sec. All right, I fixed it. I had accidentally logged out and then hit the back button and messed everything up. But I'm back to my original email here, and then this is my new account here. So make sure you select all, and then all you do is just cut and paste things over. And it will make your photo really big. So just click on your photo and click the image again, and just change the pixel size to I make mine 125. Hit OK. And make sure you click perfect timing. Everything we've already checked in the last one email, so everything should be good. And then you just click send email. You just repeat that process for every email. And so I'm already in profit with this program now. So I've already paid for. I'm using 2. My Lead Gen Secrets accounts for this program here. I'm using my other accounts for other programs, the Home Business Academy, and also a couple others that I'm involved with. And so, I'm already, everything I make after this is in my pocket. So all the money I make after this is all in my pocket. And so once again, if you're interested in checking out my other series, I'm going to be starting a new series here probably later this week. So look out for that, and subscribe to my channel if you could. I'd really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. I will be starting a Facebook channel here pretty soon, so that you'll be able to post on Facebook. So look out for that. And then in the next couple of days, so you could come to my Facebook and just post any questions that you may have about any one of the programs that I'm going to be involved with. And once again, if you could give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. And once again, if you have any questions, just please feel free to text me. If you click on any one of my videos, like I had shown you earlier, I have a texting number in there. You can't call me, but you can shoot me a text. And then also I have an email contact number in there, so that you can shoot me an email if you like. And other than that, I appreciate you watching my videos, and you all have a good day, evening, or whatever time zone you're in. Really appreciate you watching my video. Thanks.